2023 Ram 2500 has that rugged, timeless look you know and love. Make it your own with a suite of available features and storage options. The available Mopar Sport Performance Hood gives the new 2023 Ram 2500 Rebel, Power Wagon, Laramie Night, Laramie Sport, and Limited Night models a menacing look. Combined with unique hard badging on the exterior, it lets the world know you mean business. Step up and load up with ease. Available power side running boards deploy automatically when a door opens and retract when the door closes, allowing you to enter and exit the vehicle quickly and easily. The 2023 Ram 2500 Limited interior offers the feeling of first class on four wheels. With 100% leather seats and accents made of real wood and aluminum, this interior experience is next level. Dampen the sounds of car horns and highways with the help of an interior active noise cancellation system. Turn up the volume on the music you want to hear with the available 900-watt Harman Kardon registered premium audio system and surround yourself with 17 speakers designed for an immersive listening experience. The new 2023 Ram 2500 Rebel has impressive towing and hauling capability with both the gas and available diesel engine and offers standard from the factory off-roading enhancements with a heavy-duty attitude. Make no mistake, this Rebel is ready for adventure. Contact your local dealer to order this beast today. This engine offers remarkable responsiveness and impressive torque ratings for outstanding towing capability without compromising efficiency. The 6-speed automatic is a sophisticated, multi-range, electronically controlled transmission with optimized gear ratios. It features responsive performance and low noise, vibration, and harshness. On the trails, a limited slip differential helps prevent traction loss and optimize engine power. When conquering deep sand, heavy snow, or mud, take advantage of lower gear ratios by switching into 4WD low and electronically lock the rear split differential for even torque distribution and enhanced traction.